This is part 2 of building a CLI program in Go. In this video, I'll be using the popular BubbleTea and Bubbles libraries to turn our program into a TUI and add some new functionality. Quick note, I realized after uploading my last video that all the footage was lower quality than expected. That was due to some messed up settings in OBS. Sorry about that, it's fixed now and future videos should look a lot better. Let's get started. First, we'll create a new package called TUI and inside it a file named tui.go. I actually forgot to hit record while doing this part, but it's pretty straightforward. Here's what we're setting up. A model struct to hold the state of our TUI, an init function that returns nil, we're not doing any startup commands just yet, an update function that handles logic for state changes and user input, a view function that defines how everything is displayed in the terminal, and finally a start TUI function that initializes our BubbleTea model and runs the TUI loop. Next, we're going to bring in the Lipgloss library to help style our program. We'll define some styles as variables, things like the cursor style and how we display overdue to-dos. After that, we'll apply those styles to the appropriate text. Alright, it's looking pretty good. The overdue dates show up in red, to-dos due in 2 days are yellow, and the cursor is a nice bright pink. I'm going to tweak the style a little bit, but you'll notice there's an issue. The first task is getting pushed way over to the right. That's happening because we're applying a Lipgloss style to a new line character in the header. To fix it, we just need to concatenate the new lines separately, and that clears things up. Now let's implement sorting. So completed to-dos automatically get moved to the bottom. Since we'll reuse this logic in other parts of our program, we'll extract it into a separate file inside the to-do package. With that in place, to-dos now auto-sort themselves as we mark them done, which looks way better. Next, we want to be able to add new to-dos, and this is where the Bubbles library comes in. It gives a simple way to add a text input field to our TUI. We'll start by initializing a new text input in our start TUI function and adding it to our model. Then we'll activate the input when the user presses the A key. Then they can type in a new to-do. If the input is active and the user presses enter, we'll add the new to-do to the list. Right now there's a small issue. Even when the input field is active, the keyboard still moves the cursor and marks tasks as done. We'll fix that with a simple if statement placed just before the second switch block in our update function. That way when the user is typing in the input field, the cursor can't move and to-dos can't be marked as completed. Since a to-do can also have a date attached to it, we'll add an optional date input field. This works pretty much the same way as the title input, it's just another text input managed with bubbles. The only real difference is that we need to keep track of which field is currently focused and allow the user to change between the fields with tab. Finally, we're going to add the ability to delete a to-do. This is pretty straightforward. We just add a new case to the switch block in our update function. From there, we handle the deletion and make sure to adjust the cursor index so it doesn't go out of bounds. And that wraps up our Go CLI to-do list program. For the next Go project, I'm thinking about either building a REST API or a web scraper. Haven't decided yet. Let me know what you'd like to see in the comments. Thanks for watching.